What if I told you that the phone in your hand is already smarter than most humans in some tasks, and that's just the beginning of artificial intelligence? Good day, everyone. Today, I am going to present a topic that is transforming the modern world: artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept from science fiction. It has become an essential part of our daily lives and is shaping how we work, learn, communicate, and make decisions. In this presentation, we will explore what AI is, how it works, its real world applications, its benefits, challenges, and its impact on the future. Let's begin. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on developing systems capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding language, and decision making. AI systems can process large amounts of data, detect patterns, and improve their performance over time through experience. Today, AI is widely used in industries such as healthcare, education, finance, transportation, and entertainment, making processes faster, smarter, and more efficient. Machine learning ability. One of the most important components of AI is machine learning. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed for every task. Instead of fixed instructions, AI systems analyze data, identify patterns, and continuously improve their accuracy. For example, Netflix recommending movies or YouTube suggesting videos is powered by machine learning. Data-based decision making. Another key feature of AI is its ability to make decisions based on data. AI can process massive amounts of information in seconds and identify trends that humans may overlook. Businesses use AI to predict customer behavior, banks use it to detect fraud, and healthcare systems use it to support medical diagnosis. This enables faster, smarter, and more accurate decision making. How artificial intelligence works. Data learning AI starts by collecting and analyzing data in different forms such as text, images, videos, audio, or user interactions. It studies this data to identify patterns and relationships. The more high quality data it receives, the more accurate and intelligent it becomes. Prediction and improvement. After identifying patterns, AI makes predictions and recommendations. For example, weather systems predict future conditions while e-commerce platforms suggest products based on user behavior. With continuous feedback and new data, AI keeps improving its performance over time. AI in daily life. Many people think AI is only used in advanced robotics, but in reality, we use AI every day. ChatGPT is an AI-powered system that understands questions and generates human-like responses. It helps with learning, writing, problem solving, and accessing information quickly. Google Maps. Google Maps is another strong example of AI in action. It analyzes real-time traffic, road conditions, and travel patterns to suggest the fastest routes. Without realizing it, millions of people rely on AI-powered systems daily. Types of AI. Narrow AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks. Most AI systems today fall into this category. Examples include Siri, Alexa, and ChatGPT. These systems are powerful within their specific roles but cannot operate beyond their programmed purpose. Super AI refers to a future concept where machines may surpass human intelligence in all areas. Such systems could potentially think, learn, and solve problems better than humans. Although it does not exist yet, researchers continue to explore its possibilities. Benefits of AI time saving. One of the biggest advantages of AI is time efficiency. It can perform repetitive and complex tasks much faster than humans, allowing people to focus on more creative and strategic work. Increased productivity. AI systems work continuously without fatigue. This improves efficiency, reduces errors, and increases overall productivity. Industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and customer service are already benefiting greatly from AI automation. Disadvantages of AI. Despite its advantages, AI also comes with challenges. One major concern is job displacement, as automation may replace some repetitive roles. This makes skill development very important for the future workforce. Another concern is privacy and security. AI systems rely on large amounts of data, and improper handling of this data can lead to risks and misuse. Therefore, ethical and responsible use of AI is essential. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is one of the most powerful and transformative technologies of our time. It enables machines to learn, analyze, and make decisions that improve efficiency across many industries. AI has already changed sectors like healthcare, education, finance, and transportation. However, alongside its benefits, we must carefully manage challenges such as privacy, job displacement, and ethical concerns. With responsible use, AI has the potential to create a smarter and more advanced future for everyone. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation helped you understand artificial intelligence, its applications, benefits, and challenges. As AI continues to evolve, it will play an even greater role in shaping our future. Thank you once again and have a great day.